In a major development, the National Investigation Agency (NIA) has arrested another key accused involved in the brutal killing of 3 women and 3 children in Jiribam district last year. NIA made the arrest of the accused Lalrosang Mar from Mizoram's capital, Aizawl, on Thursday. This marks the second arrest in the case, following the earlier detention of another suspect, Thanglien Lal Mar, who was also caught in Aizawl. According to NIA, the second accused, Lalrosang, was also an active conspirator in the heinous crime. NIA has recovered a mobile phone and a SIM card, and it is examining them as part of further investigation. It may be mentioned that 3 women and 3 children were abducted and brutally murdered by militants in Borobekra area of Jiribam district on November 11. The bodies were found in Barak River days later. The horrific incident shook the conscience of people in the state and resulted in flare of tensions among communities amid the ongoing conflict.